Oh yeah, show me a trick.
Oh, you want to see a trick real fast? All right.
Hold on. Let me show you a card deck that I got. Cause let me show this card deck hard. Look, I'll be practicing my fans. You feel me? Cause I'm trying to get good at that. But look, watch this. Ready? Wow.
Ooh, that's nice, man. I like that.
Appreciate you.
I like that.
Now they
All
are.
right.
Let's see what you got.
We do like cardistry or something, or
I'm trying to. I've been wanting. It look tight when other people do it, so I want to get good at it.
yeah, I love that stuff, man.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and just tell me when to stop.
All right, for sure. Right there.
Right here.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. All right. So whatever card you stopped on, so Queen of Hearts. Okay.
Uh huh.
All right, and we will take that and set it right here.
Yes, sir.
All right. And then, you know what? I'll just take the next card, Ace of Hearts.
Mm-hmm.
You know what we'll do? If I take the ace, I just give it a spin like this. You can see the cards
Ooh,
actually switch.
All right, all right. Hey, but let me tell you something. I know a little bit of tricks too, so you might have done a little double lift, but it's all right. I know it. I know it.
Hey, tell me if you ever, tell me if you know this one.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right, so 4 jokers, right? So
Yeah.
if I snap my fingers, one of the jokers turns face down.
Uh huh.
If I snap again, another one turns face down. So I got 2 face down, 2 face up. Okay. So here's where it gets crazy. The next one, you're going to visibly see it turn over. Okay. You see it?
Yes, I saw it.
But if I give the cards a spin like this, now all 4 of them turn face down.
That's crazy. Wait.
Now,
Oh, what
that's
the
pretty
fuck?
cool, right?
That was clean as hell. Yeah.
Now, if you were playing poker and you wanted the best 4 of a kind you could get, you know what you would want?
Wait. I don't know shit about poker. What is it?
Like 4 aces would probably be the best
Right.
4 of a kind.
Oh wait. Is it just like a 4 match or like what?
Yeah,
or
like
is it
4 of
only
a kind. Well, you probably heard the saying "Jokers are wild."
Yeah.
Well, they can turn into any card. So if you wanted a good 4 of a kind, if I just snap my fingers, you can see they actually all 4 turn into aces. There's actually no jokers here at all.
No. Oh, good. That's hey, bro. That shit was good.
Pretty good,
Sean
right?
Paul, hey, bro, I got you with the follow.
Cool, man.
Bro, that was so good.
Thanks, man.
Damn, I'm really trying to figure it out, and I can't.
Yeah, I've been working on that for a while.
Oh, JS Magic follows you. I watch him on YouTube.
Yeah, he's a good friend of mine.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I watch him a lot. That's hard. I like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's right.
I don't know if you want to see one more or not, man. If you got to
Sure,
go,
go
that's all
ahead.
good,
I got
too.
time.
Okay, cool. All right, so if you were here, you could actually do this yourself. You can handle the cards yourself. But I'll just flip over about half the cards so they're 2 sides face up, right? Kind of like a coin. And I got this prediction here. We'll get back to that later. All right, so as I flip the cards like this, just tell me when to stop. And whenever you tell me to stop, we'll eliminate all the face-up cards on whatever side you land on, okay?
Stop.
Okay, so we'll eliminate all the face-up cards. Fair?
Cool.
All right, and let's do it one more time. About half of them. Just tell me to stop.
Stop.
On the jack or?
Yeah, the jack.
Okay. Eliminate all the face-up cards. All right, and I think we got enough to do it one more time.
All right.
So just tell me to stop.
Stop.
Right here. All right.
Yes, sir.
And once again, we will eliminate all the face-up cards. All right, so let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only need 4, so let's just eliminate 4 of these. We got 8 here, so just tell me which ones you want to eliminate. I'll just point to them.
That one, the third one.
This one, okay?
Yeah.
All right. And
that one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do 2 more. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got 7 here. Let's just eliminate 3 more real quick.
All right.
Just make it quick.
Right there.
All right, 2 more.
Right there.
All right, and 1 more.
Yeah, right there. Second one.
This one. Okay. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards here, and I'll just mix them up. I don't want them to be in any kind of order here, so just so we don't know where they are. All right. So do you want me to eliminate odd or even?
Even.
Okay. So 2 and 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna take my right hand and put it down on one card, right or left. Which one do you want?
The left one.
You want the left one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you could have had 3 of diamonds, but you got king of diamonds. That's pretty good. Pretty good.
Yo.
All right. So those were all your decisions. You agree? That's pretty fair.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just get back to this prediction I had. So you read that there.
You will choose the. Nah, no chance. Bro, like what? I literally could have told you a different card to eliminate.
Time. Yeah.
That's
Everything
crazy.
was completely up to you.
Bro, good. You're nice. You're clean. I like that.
Thanks, man. I do appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna keep checking you out though on Instagram and or wherever you post frequently.
Exactly.
Keep it up, bro. Keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, you too, man. And good luck with the cardistry and everything, man.
Appreciate you. You have a good day.
You too, man. See you.